saw my last video, you know my welder decided to explode in the middle of my custom exhaust for the Foz. So today we're upgrading. So the plan today is to head down to Total Tools and pick up a new welder. I've decided on a 200 amp AC/DC Michigan TIG welder. Let's go get it. We have a new welder. Let's go home and unbox it. Alright, so I ended up deciding to go for the Michigan over the SIG weld, mainly because it comes in a pack. It's got the trolley, it's got your protective gloves, helmet, it's got a flow, and it's got a pedal. I've never used a pedal. It was either this or a SIG weld, and I thought this one looks better. I know somebody that's got one and he says it's pretty good. And he also works on Foresters, so you can trust him. So this machine came in at $1,300 Australian dollars, whereas the SIG weld was around $1,100, but it didn't have anything else with it. So I thought this is a good deal. Valued at about $1,700. So let's get to unboxing it. I haven't had an unboxing video for a long time. Pretty solid packaging. Got the gloves. Got the pedal. The welding helmet. TIG stick, MIG plasma grinding. That's good. It's battery powered. That's cool. We have the trolley that we'll have to put together. Now we've got the actual welder. So now we're on the actual welder. Ooh. I'm excited. I really needed this upgrade. Very good packaging. It's got the stick handle, got the earth cable, the earthing with a TIG tie, got a hose, there we go. Cool. Colours, lenses, tungsten, different backings. It's nice, it feels nice, really weighty. Different settings on the... Ooh, can't wait to test this out. Oh, regulator. Nice. Ooh, that has some weight to it. Beautiful. Ooh, that looks nice. Very compact. Alright, why did I choose this welder? I chose this welder because it's AC/DC. It's in my budget, and I want to be able to do aluminium. So I want to be able to do intercooler piping, make some catch cans, and just go backwards and forth between making exhausts and fabricating whatever I want. So that's why I chose this. And yeah, it is a budget one, but it works pretty good. So this is a stick welder as well as a TIG. There's AC/DC TIG, pulse TIG. So it starts off with a pulse instead of a scratch, and it's a single phase, so you can just plug it in to a 10 amp outlet. So I'm just going through the instructions quickly, and it actually shows you different types of welding, and it tells you what are you doing wrong. too fast, too slow, too long in the arc, and then your ideal weld. Different types of weld beads, stringer, weave, and what angles as well I saw here with a stick. So I'm going to sit down and have a good read how to sharpen your tungsten. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I'm going to put the welding trolley together, so we'll do a time lapse of that, and then we'll get everything onto the trolley, get it all set up. The trolley is done. Took a little while, but came out good. So gas bottle goes on the back, welder goes up the top. Got the chains there to hold the gas bottle up. My gas bottle's over there. I've got to work out where I'm going to keep this welder now. I need to make some more space. Alright, so I've got the trolley done. I've got the gas bottle on. Let's get the welder on and set up the earth and the TIG torch. This might be weird for some, but earth clamp goes on the positive socket. Sounds weird, doesn't it? So, just go in and twist. Sick. I'm just going to hang it on the hook for now. TIG torch. My other tip is being a little rusty welder from eBay. Couldn't get any aftermarket TIG torches, lenses that would fit it. So what I had was what I got with it. So there's no upgrades or anything. We can either use the handle or we can use the pedal, which goes in here. So the blue one can go in there, gas obviously goes there, and then the torch goes into the negative. For now I'm just going to use the torch to start the arc. Then we'll move to the pedal. Just need to tighten this up. Maybe. It's definitely not pushed in all the way. There we go. Click. Keep it tight. Beautiful. Alright, we've got to get the regulator in now. I haven't had one of these flow ones before. Get the pressure, we'll get the flow. I literally have to go from here to here. It's like the shortest ever. Alright, I'm not sure if I need a clamp because this goes onto the bar pretty hard. Alright, I'll give it a go. It's leaking from somewhere. Alright, I've set up the TIG torch with the same tungsten as that was in my old welder over there. So we'll see the difference on how it welds. Got a scrap 3.5 inch here that I've already got some welds on from my previous welder. So let's see if we can see an improvement. Oh yeah, and I had to go back to the SIG weld regulator because the other one was leaking. I'll show you. It's actually leaking around that ring that you can see there. So yeah, just had to get that fitting off so we could get that hose onto it. But SIG weld's working good. It's all set up. Let's lay down some beads. Hopefully got the earth on there. Let's do it. So while I'm moving the dial on the handle, I can adjust the amperage. Up, down. Cool. So just like the pedal. I think I need to do pulse. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Right, I'm going to turn this up. About 100. Practice along the top edge here. This is a game changer, boys. Holy. My old external. This is dirty actually. Probably shouldn't. This is dirty. Old external wastegate screamer on the 50mm. Yes. I love it. Love it. So I still got to work out how to work it properly, but that is like, look at that pulsing. That's insane. You see, now it's cleaning it as well. Man, I should have upgraded years ago, boys. Years ago. I've got a lot of work to do. So this here was my first weld. Amperage wasn't high enough. And then here. And then that. So my first three. Just testing it out. I'm in love already. Can't wait to get into welding this exhaust for the Forester again. So guys, final verdict. Love it. Haven't done much, but I definitely recommend it with what I've just seen. I've got to dial some settings in. I'll keep reading through the manual. And yeah, love it. Catch you next time when we get back onto the Forester exhaust.